Hello guys, this is JD and you are watching JD's English Club, a place of English learner. So guys, today we are going to practice some sentences using I know. I know को use करी कुहा जाउथवा किछि sentences आज हम practice करिबा. So before that, I would like to say something you guys. जदि आपण आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करि नांती तो एबे ही सब्सक्राइब करि नियंतु. ए चैनल रे हम स्पोकन इंग्लिश रो बहुत सारा वीडियोस रेगुलरली अपलोड करूछु. सो जदि आपण चाहती से वीडियो को इजीली पाइबा को तो एबे ही आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर नियंतु एवं पाखरे थिबा बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दियंतु जा फल रे नेक्स्ट टाइम आम कौन वीडियो अपलोड कले तार इमीडिएट नोटिफिकेशन आपन को मिल जिवो एवं आपन से वीडियो को इजीली पाई परिबे. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. मु जाने आपन कोन भाबुछंती. I know what you are thinking. I know what you are thinking. मु जाने तुम्हें समस्ते कौन भावुछ. I know what you are all thinking. I know what you are all thinking. मु जाने आपन को भितरु किछि लोक कौन भावुछंती. I know what some of you are thinking. I know what some of you are thinking. मु जाने आपन का भितर बहुत लोग कौन भावुछंती. I know what a lot of you are thinking. I know what a lot of you are thinking. मु जाने आपन का सहित कौन घटुची. I know what you are going through. I know what you are going through. मु जाने मु कौन करूची. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. मु आपन को भितरु समस्त को जाने. I know every one of you. I know every one of you. Or we can say I know all of you. I know all of you. मोते जना आगो को कौन करिबा उचित. I know what to do next. I know what to do next. मोते जना एहा कोन. I know what it is. I know what it is. मोते जना तुमे कौन करूछ. I know what you are doing. I know what you are doing. मु जाने तुमे कौन कहूछ. I know what you are saying. I know what you are saying. मोते जना मु कौन भूल कली. I know what I did wrong. I know what I did wrong. मोते जना या किपरि लागे. I know what it feels like. I know what it feels like. मु जाने तुमे कौन कलो. I know what you did. I know what you did. मु जाने जहाँ से कले ताहा भूल. I know what he did is wrong. I know what he did is wrong. मोते जना एहार माने कौन. I know what it means. I know what it means. मु जाने से कौन चाहुचंती. I know what she wants. I know what she wants. मु जाने तुमे केउ आड़े जाउछ. I know where you are going. I know where you are going. ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ ଏମିତି କାହିଁକି ହେଉଛି। I know why it's happening. I know why it's happening. ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ଆସିଛ। I know why you have come. I know why you have come. ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ ସେ କାହିଁକି ମୋତେ କଲ୍ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ କଲେନି। I know why she didn't call me back. I know why she didn't call me back. ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ ସେ ଏମିତି କାହିଁକି କଲେ। I know why he did it. I know why he did it. ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ କାହିଁକି ତୁମେ ଦୁଃଖିତ। I know why you are upset. I know why you are upset. ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ କାହିଁକି ସେ ତୁମ ପ୍ରସ୍ତାବକୁ ମନା କଲେ। I know why she refused your proposal. I know why she refused your proposal. ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଭୁଲକୁ ସ୍ୱୀକାର କରିବେନି। I know he would not admit his mistake. I know he would not admit his mistake. ମୁଁ ଏହା ଜାଣିଥିଲି। I knew it. I knew it. So that's it guys. I hope ए वीडियो आपन किछि सिखिबाको मिलिथिबो and thank you for watching. जदि वीडियो आपको किछि भी सिखिबाको मिलिथिबो सो प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक करंतु एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु एबोली बहुत सारा वीडियोस पाइबाको एवं आम सहित जोड़ी रहिबाको। ओके सो थैंक यू वंस अगेन एंड टेक केयर बाय।